we make sure to perfect. Are the most neglected.
So our work for these 2 days that we are going to be in Laikipia, we found it fit to be informed through data what affects the girl child in marginalized communities from attending school, and what makes a girl child not continue with school, and how this can be helped so that the girl child, just like the boy child, is able to go to school from class 1 and finish up to university.
Na hii research inaenda to 19 counties for today, na pia it is a mandate pia waweze kucover the whole county. The research it is based on kuangalia vile our girl child ameadhirika, kukuwa marginalized, kuwa hawezi pata ile education ambayo tunaweza sema quality education. Pia the girl child vile akona challenges ambazo zinamzuia kupata elimu bora.